Guess what, Crystal? There's one here.
They see through the pettiness, they see through the politics of all of it. And I think what they got last night was a speech that lifted up the country, that celebrated the incredible progress that we made in our economy, rebuilding our military, strengthening our courts. But the stories that the president told were American stories. And I just know it was a great blessing to people all across America, and it's one of the reasons why you see the momentum growing behind this president. And I just have a strong feeling that she's going to be the last Speaker of the House to sit in that chair for a long time.
Wow.
Yeah, I think some people sort of loser move. That's like if at the end of the Super Bowl, the 49ers took the Lombardi trophy away from the Chiefs and spiked it or something like that. You think that she planned to do that all along? It felt like it was such an immediate moment. And I just don't, I've been to a lot of State of the Union addresses.
There's the sky down there. And then...
Now, this was my fourth as a Vice President of the United States. There's always a basic decorum and a basic
somebody coming down right there.
Speech really dishonored the moment, and I really thought it was beneath the dignity
Of the country.
Of a joint
Look at that.
And I think it'll be remembered as such.
A lot of people said, in fact, the White House tweeted out when she ripped up that speech, she ripped up the last surviving Tuskegee Airman, the survival of a child born in 21 weeks. The morning of the family of Rocky Jones, Kayla Mueller, and the service members reunion with his family. That's what that speech represented. Jody Jones showed us in studio. His brother was a victim of an illegal immigrant, killed him. Listen to what his take was. It felt like she ripped our hearts out. Everybody did all the guests. We couldn't believe it. Look, I don't care how you feel about somebody. That was probably the most disrespectful thing I've ever seen in my life. Because when she did that, it just tore us up. We couldn't believe it.
Well, I met Jody and the rest of Rocky's family before. Karen and I had a few moments with them. The president had time with them. This is a grieving family who lost a loved one at the hands of an illegal immigrant in California. And she ripped up Rocky's story. She ripped up Janae's story. She ripped up the story about the Williams family and about General McGee. And I have to tell you, I really don't. I don't actually get her take on it. She's saying that it was filled with lies. What lies were there? I watched the president build this speech. Everything about the economy, everything about the military, everything about President Trump's decisive action, taking about al-Baghdadi and Qasem Soleimani, every story about Americans, the hopeful, aspirational tone at the end. I expect when the dust settles on this speech, it's going to be remembered as one of the best State of the Union addresses in history.
Have you ever seen? I don't ever remember.
There's the blue sky down by the trees. The blue, the light blue. There's the dark boulder. And I'll zoom in so you can see some more of the rock featuring on it.
Her mom is a single mom and wants to give her daughter a better life, and the president looks at her and says, "I'm going to give you a scholarship, school choice. You can choose what school you want to go to." And the mom, the reaction of the daughter, so excited because she's going to have a better life now, a better education.
Let's take a look at it.
Janaya's mom, Stephanie, is a single parent. She would do anything to give her daughter a better future. But last year, that future was put further out of reach when Pennsylvania's governor vetoed legislation to expand school choice to 15,000 children. But Janaya, I have some good news for you, because I am pleased to inform you that your long wait is over. I can proudly announce tonight that an opportunity scholarship has become available. It's going to you, and you will soon be heading to the school of your choice.
What'd you say? On my phone or yours?
These were TV moments that we actually saw. They weren't like, this person did that. We saw the Tuskegee Airmen. We saw her story. We saw Juan Guaido. And we saw your longtime friend, Rush Limbaugh, this week was revealed as that stage. Last night was Rush did not see this coming. Rush, in recognition of all.
What they do? Commercial you?
As a special needs parent, I'm constantly anxious.
Millions of people a day that you speak to and that you inspire, and all of the incredible work that you have done for charity. I am proud to announce tonight that you will be receiving our country's highest civilian honor, the Presidential Medal of Freedom. I will now ask the First Lady of the United States to present you with the honor, please.
That's why she's so.
It's nice of him. Hey, look at that face. Can you see it in the middle of the screen?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Because
Huh?
He's crying.
always happens at the White House. It never happened in Congress. Rush did not see that happening. You've known Rush for a very long time.
It's working. That's the distraction, so I don't look at the rock.
Well, it's back in the 1990s.
Look at that pretty face. That's not the first face they've imaged up on me to like fuck with my, make you think you're fucking nuts and shit. It's pretty dirty if you think about it. This is going to be interesting to see.
His contributions to this country, his contributions to the conservative movement are innumerable. And I know for a fact he didn't expect the medal last night. I reached him shortly after he and Catherine left the Capitol, and
It's very cold now.
told me
It's coming out very cold. The air is cold.
and I said, Rush,
Look at that. Look at that little. I think there's a bunch of little rocks traveling with it. Like right there is one.
hold values and ideals that have made this country.
Look at that son of a bitch.
They were saying after it happened, they saw that she was sitting next to Rush's wife.
It was
Look at it. Look at that rock.
a challenging moment for them.
Look at that little one in front of the big one.
He's a strong guy. I know that millions of Americans, including our families, are going to be praying for him and a swift recovery. But Karen said they were very moved, and she just assured them of our prayers. And,
This thing is coming.
Rush told me last night that his wife said that God is.
That's like a mountain.
This, and I believe that moment, which
Is that a fucking?
we all found out about Rush.
I don't know what it is.
The president just had
I'm
this
glad I looked.
to say, I want to have you come.
These things are regular, man. I don't know how long they'll stay regular, but
Then he said, he told
they
him,
are on a regular basis.
some medical procedures.
That's why we're always shitty cloudy.
I'd like to have you there, but he didn't tell him he was going to give him the highest civilian honor.
Now, you know, the speaker has to even look up. I mean, if you see the video, she wouldn't even look up.
Here's someone with stage 4 cancer. It strikes me as one of those moments that was very revealing, whether it was the ripping up of the pages or her talking throughout the speech or looking down. I think there was an attitude of disrespect that I don't think really reflected how the American people were responding to this speech.
Was she speaking to you throughout the speech?
She was. So occasionally, well, I was listening to the president, so I can't.
There's the blue sky.
What she was saying.
Way over there.
Muttering along about.
Right there, and then the bottom of the rock. That's way over there.
They weren't getting sufficient.
And it's all up here. And it's all down there. That's so hard to imagine. I understand.
Fly with me to Pennsylvania today. We're going to do another school choice event. I was in Wisconsin.
It's very hard to comprehend.
30 years ago, and you know, Steve,
Especially when they make it blue outside. Like it looks blue out there. Like the dark parts of the rock look blue. if you were to look up out there without a camera. As soon as you put the camera on him, though, it's done. So apparently they're able. Oh my God! Look, it's going in front. It's going by the sun simulator now. It's going behind the sun simulator right now. This giant rock is going behind it. I'm watching it transcend. That's unfucking believable. Is everybody again seeing that? That's the rock. That's the sun simulator. The rock. The sun simulator, but it's going behind it. Clearly. Clearly. Look at this thing, man. Wow, look how low it is.
For the job that they've done in moving.
Can you see that?
Swift acquittal. I mean,
it's right there.
Such a disservice.
Dude, it's getting lower.
And to look out and to see the Democrats with their arms folded last night, I think that contrasted with a president who made the speech.
Hey, he's a patriot, man. You know, Trump. He may be a douchebag, but he's a patriot.
Talk about impeachment. No, he was going to talk about America, the progress we've made for the American.
Look at that rock going behind the sun simulator. This is just incriminating as all hell and back.
American people and all that we can still do.
I think the classy thing for the Democrats to do, they didn't do this, but the classy thing would have been, we've had our differences in the past, which is a polite way to say we tried to throw you out of office. But starting tomorrow with the acquittal, we turn the page. And let's try to get something done in the bonus round before, the people of the United States decide whether...
There's the sky again, way over there, all blue, light blue, like you'd think it'd be.
I didn't see a lot of class.
It meets the rock. It's cold out too, by the way. The temperature has dropped.
There were a handful of Democrats that stood at key moments, and I tried to acknowledge that. I tried to nod to them and express appreciation to them because they grabbed those moments. But to see
You should pull your camera out and look at the sun, Krista.
one issue after another means the president to celebrate the lowest unemployment rate for African Americans in history, the lowest unemployment rate for Hispanic Americans and Asian Americans, to have people sitting on their hands when you hear about
It's literally the Hulk and bulk of this thing is over my place.
again, I think the American people
And it is moving.
had to conclude this was
Slow and low.
them.
Look at that, Crystal.
Democrat majority in the
That's the
House
bottom.
today that's focused on politics.
That's the bottom of it right there. That's a fucking tree.
And a lot of the country went to the polls and voted for President Trump because of where he stood on certain issues and where you stand on certain issues. And many people
There's more
I
of
always
it.
hear are so proud of your boldness for Christ. How do you, and there are Christians on both sides of the aisle, obviously, people of faith on both sides of the aisle. What is happening to our country?
Man,
Where
it's
do we
cold
go
out
from
there.
here? People are looking to you as a leader to help us and praying to God that this has just become so divisive,
Wow.
so hateful. And to see, we think
Some
about our
bitch, it's
Constitution,
unbelievable.
our
Something,
founders, their faith meant a lot to them. They were Democrats,
something's
they were
got to fucking
Republicans,
give,
and
man.
up there reading
How
that,
can this keep
it's
going on?
hurtful.
Look at that. I'm close up now.
And you're right.
I'm zoomed in.
But I have to tell you, as I travel all over the country, and I travel
This
a
is
lot,
this rock. What's today? 4th?
I'm still
Thursday,
convinced that there's
February
no
4th,
in this country that will ever divide us. And chief among those things,
2020.
I mean, I meet people every day. I'll be in Pennsylvania today. And
Look at that.
I'm always
Look at
trying
it's
to
gassing.
and
It's
thank
venting right there.
prayers and encourage them to pray for
It's venting down there. Goes all the way over there.
people who will stop me.
All the way over. That's south. Where the
Stop me,
sun is. Look at it going over the sun simulator. They just turned that up, man, because if you look that way, you won't see anything.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
You won't see anything at all.
Twisted Truth and Twisted Truth.
If you're not looking at it through a phone, you're not going to see it like this. It's just the way it is. And that's how they're getting away with it. I think we might be getting close to the end of it, though. I think we're close. Unless I see another layer down there. I don't think so. I think that's the end of it. That's the bottom, most predominant part. That's north. Well, I can see with my own eyes. See with my own eyes. Man, is that cold? Why does it bring on such a... I wonder if it pulls, like, you know, like, the coldness of space down when it comes through or whatever. Oh yeah, she's right there. Yep, that's the end of it because you can see the blue sky behind it. The blue sky down by the trees. That's the real fake sky, and that's the end of it. There ain't no rock. That's the back end of that rock, and that's how you know it made it. Because we're looking at the blue, and it's blue way over there. And that means it's there normal. Ohio. 2020, February. What time is it? On that one?
Yeah.
2:15? No, that was half hour fast. Oh, 2:45? 2:45 p.m. And I just looked out because you get a feel for this after a while because the light will change drastically, and that usually means something. Didn't hurt me. It took me a split second to look. It took me 3 seconds to turn the phone on and just hit record. And I can tell you though, it gets real cold. Like my hands are freezing right now. But it's almost over us. Thank God. Thank God my phone had enough memory to record for 20 minutes. We'll put this up on YouTube for those who give a shit. Even though this should be on the front page of the New York fucking Times. Yes, I did. It's like an evil face is being made. Seriously. At the end here. Like a dragon. I can't wait to see it again, to take another look at it. It looks like a friggin' dragon. Everybody sees dragons now. Can't let that shit distract you too much though, because that's what they like to do. Keep you looking at dumb shit instead of what's really in front of you. Uh-oh. I don't see the blue anymore. Don't tell me there's another one. Oh yeah? In a good light or a bad light? Oh. Okay. See how good his info is, Jives. Maybe learn something. The Anunnaki.
Alright guys, what's going on? My name is Louis. Today is February 5th.
February 5th. Oh, I screwed up. Got any update news of giant freaking rocks floating over your head? Fuck, coronavirus is the least of our worries.
If it kills us all first, it will be ours.
Now we have Hong Kong cruise ship. Now more than 2,000 people are being quarantined, and again I have tons of breaking news updates. It's coming up right
Man, my hands are so cold. Well, I don't know how much longer I should record. It's pretty much... I wish I had enough to do it all day.
Japan cruise ship and Hong Kong cruise ship. This goes to tell you guys that going to major events nowadays, you need to take precautions.
We're only about 800 feet elevation. We're not super high.
So I have all the update news coming up in Rand's Crane News, which is the second channel. Also, I wanted to bring up something.
Extreme close-up.
YouTube is basically trying to delete my videos when it comes to the coronavirus. All my videos
I wonder if they'll start doing mine.
from the GS News.
I'm not monetizing.
You guys already know I've been doing live
I don't think it matters though.
I'm getting all this information that coronavirus videos that I'm posting is being demonetized. There's a reason why. It's because the news that I'm bringing out on the YouTubers, these news are not conspiracy theories. The news that I bring out is the real deal.
Same with me with these boulders. It's the real deal.
Bible prophecy. These are
Or it's fake.
the Gospel of Luke chapter 21. So when YouTube is coming and taking down videos from multiple channels when it comes to coronavirus, there's something is wrong. Something is wrong.
Is he saying Wong deliberately?
No.
He's Latino?
Yeah, he's just a mom.
That is partnering with the World Health Organization.
YouTube is a force, man.
With the World Health Organization. You know the World Health Organization saying that coronavirus is not a pandemic. Coronavirus is not going to
Ooh, ooh,
Why would you choose?
looky there. That's interesting. Wow, the simulator got real small all of a sudden. The simulator. It's really small. Or they moved it off into the distance. It's real small now. I'll show you in the video. I think this is going to be a classic example of them projecting the white laser light onto the surface of something else to make the illusion of the sun. I think you'll be able to tell with this video. God dang it, my hand's cold, man. I can't. I know. For the, sorry. I thought I heard the wind pick up. For the, what is that one unit? GoPro. I don't want any GoPros. That'd be the place. Look at that simulator going over this thing. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh man, I think this is just a gigantic thing that's over us now. I don't know. Whoa, what's that? Those look like little fucking rocks. It's above my house. That's where it's at. It's starting to warm up a little, I think. I don't know what they're doing over there with that sun simulator shit. They're just fucking like blasting it on the side of the rock. It looks, I don't know. I don't know what their point of that is supposed to be. Probably can't see shit from outside from the thing now. So. But to look at it over here, I don't even. talking to me? The Karachi virus.
Billy, I'll do something. I don't know to get karate.
No, that's all. I'm just gonna keep this at a half hour. I should keep recording though, because something amazing might happen and help more proofs. No, I wouldn't either. After seeing that one roll, when they show it rolled in the bay, like a bay, when one of them gets tipped over, it looks like a, you know, Titanic experience, man. Screw that. Let's see if they'll let me load this video. I'm just gonna load it up right now so people can see it if they're on point. All right.